Hello and welcome to ABP Live. I am Rifa and we're at the India Infrastructure Conclave. मेरे साथ है आदित्य Vikram Birla. He's the chairman and MD of Cosmic CRF Group. And I want to ask him, yours is a relatively new company, right?
Yeah.
How are you contributing to India's infrastructure?
So Cosmic CRF is a part of a conglomerate which has been there for 50 odd years, based out of Bengal mostly.
50 odd years?
50 odd years.
Okay.
So I'm third generation actually.
Okay.
Cosmic CRF is a company that I bought out in 2021. And since then, I think it's one of the fastest growing companies in India per se, because we are manufacturing components for the Indian Railways, not just for the wagons, but also for the bogies and the locomotives and the coaches. Along with that, we are also manufacturing items for and components for the infra. That means your coffer dam materials, your sheet piles, your poles, your crash barriers, all of that. And also, we also manufacture other components for springs for automobiles.
How has the Make in India initiative helped that?
That's really changed our lives, because I think people are now focusing on making in India, and all our lives we've already been somebody who's made in India, haven't imported things. We've taken things that are indigenously available. At the same time, we've also built on our own, prowess on the fact that we know about what we know about engineering and the precision items. Over the last 3 years, we have actually stepped into various sectors, including defense, where we are making a couple of items. And like I always believe that if we want to grow in scale, also with the quality attached to it.
How do you, scale like this and expand like this at the same time and make profit at the same? How is that possible? I mean, the cost.
So that's the game actually. I mean, we realize that the market is very competitive in nature, and with imports coming in, along with that, other options also for a product, you have more than 5 or 10 people regarded with the RDSO, with the DRDO, who supply these materials. So it's a competitive market. So we realize that the scale is the only thing that can keep us alive and keep us available for the R&D and for the future. So that is why we kept building on the scale. We started with 6,000 tons per annum as a capacity in 2021. And today we sit at 150,000 tons.
Okay, that's great. Exponential actually. So would you call yourself a relatively smaller player yet?
So as a group, we are a decent player, a larger player in the mid-cap sector, but not in the larger sectors.
But I wanted to know, how did you penetrate the market?
So basically, I was born in a family which was dealing with railways. My granddad was working with the Birla group, and he was heading a lot of these his investments in the railways like Simco, Texmaco, and things like that. But along with that, I think I was somebody who, when I came into the business, I looked at the railway sector more. Eventually, got into the infrastructure, and I realized that the manufacturing components, composition, and the process is pretty much similar. So once we have the improwess or the power to actually understand the entire technological play in this manufacturing bit, then we can pretty much make everything. And that is one of the main reasons why Cosmic Birla Group is also part of EV sector.
Okay, so every businessman, when he comes into the industry, comes with a vision and a mission. What was yours?
I came in with the idea that I wanted to build on the company that I had, and probably become a billionaire before I touch 40.
Oh, that's great.